Passage 18 start. The appellants, through instant regular first appeal, have assailed the judgment and decree dated 29/6/2010 of Leonard Senior Civil Judge, Referee Judge Sawat, whereby he, after hearing the objection petition reference under Section 18 of the Land Acquisition Act 1894, dismissed the same by only entitling them to receive simple interest at the rate of 6% per annum on the principal amount of compensation from 5,499 to 8,320. Learned counsel for the appellants contended that the findings of the referee court are the result of misreading and non-reading of the material evidence available on record, and the same are also against the law. He next contended that the referee court failed to keep in mind the potential and future value of the suit property and has thus unlawfully dismissed their reference as against that the Learned Counsel for the Acquiring Department submitted that while impugned award, all the affected landowners have received their compensation except the appellants. He further argued that the appellants themselves had accepted the amount of compensation at the rate of Rs 22,000 per canal through negotiation at the first phase of acquisition in the year 1990, and now they cannot claim enhanced rate of compensation of the similar property because of their conduct and requested for dismissal of their appeal. The learned counsel for the parties were heard and record of the case was perused. Perusal of the record would reveal that the government required a considerable area of land for the construction of Kanju Township Scheme Sawat. This being for public purpose, government selected a huge chunk of land measuring canals of land situated in three different villages, namely Namgram, Kanju, and the Rai of Tehsil, Kabul district Swat, and accordingly started land acquisition process under Land Acquisition Act 1894. The landed property of appellants was situated in village Dehrai. To initiate the process, the notification under Section 4 of the Act of 1894 was issued by the Land Acquisition Collector and published in the Government Gazette on 15/8/1988. After completion of survey, final declaration and order of acquisition was issued by the Commissioner Malakand Division on 15/2/1999. Thereafter, possession of the property was taken under Section 17 of the Act in the year 1999. White Gazette notification dated 5/4/1999. The objections of the landowners were also called for by the collector by issuing notices under Sections 9 and 10 of the Act abid. In spite of the objections of the landowners, no proper decision thereon was made. Then, at last, impugned award dated 8/3/2000 was announced by Land Acquisition Collector by fixing market value of the acquired property at the rate of Rs 22,000 per canal on the basis of 1 year average prior to publication of notification under Section 4 of the Act abid, along with 15% compulsory acquisition charges. So we allow this appeal, set aside the judgment and decree of referee court, and fix the compensation of acquired property of village Derai at the rate of Rs 80,000 per canal within 6% simple interest from the date of possession, along with 15% compulsory acquisition charges minus what has already been received by the landowners. By keeping in view the agonies of the affected landowners, we direct the department to calculate the compensation amount according to above term and deposit the same in the referee court positively within 3 months. Full stop and close.